Hey everybody, so I went to Magic Kingdom this weekend and it was a awful rainy day, but honestly made the best of it. And my video was so long that I ended up making two parts. So if you're wondering why I'm not wearing what I wore in the parks, that's because I'm taping this on a different day. So please sit back and enjoy part one of Rainy Day at Magic Kingdom. And I'll see you guys out there. What's up everybody? So it is a rainy Saturday afternoon, as you can see, and I decided to head over to Magic Kingdom today. Got a couple of fast passes. I'll see if I can make it. We're gonna get wet. I've committed to that. So let's see what we can get on and what we can ride. Hopefully this rain will fizzle out in the next half hour or so. I've got my poncho, I've got my gear. Just getting ready to get wet. I'll see you guys later. See you in the park. Everybody, looks like we finally made it to Magic Kingdom, as you can tell. First fast pass is gonna be for Jungle Cruise. I absolutely love me some Jungle Cruise, and it looks like it stopped raining for like all of a minute. I don't know if we're gonna be lucky enough that it's not gonna rain any longer, but we'll see what we can do. Love me some Castle View. I'll see you guys in a few.
Clearly, that's the best way to see the jungle loaded. Oh, wait, I mean, that came out wrong. Hi, everyone. Hi, oh, hi. Got some safety announcements for you. Stay seated. Also, keep those hands and arms inside of the boat. And, parents, watch those children. Well, anyhow, let me welcome you guys all aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Yes, Jungle Cruise. My name is Jungle Owie. And this is the jungle. Do you like it? Good. Actually, it's the Amazon rainforest. It is. And if you look around, you'll see butterflies. Yeah. No, those are actually Amazonian attack butterflies, also known as Plasticus mechanicus. Now, they've got a wingspan that ranges from 12 inches to 1 foot, and I've seen them carry small families deep into the jungle. Oh, no, really. The other day, little Timmy was right there, and the butterflies, they were flying in the sky, and I said, Timmy, look out, look out. And well, he didn't look out. And those butterflies swooped down and picked him up and carried him away, and I never saw him again. I was sad. Oh, now we're going into the Congo River, and my pygmy friends are right there, so wave and say hi, pygmy friends. Hi, pygmy. They're not there. I guess they went on vacation again. You know, ever since they got the minivan, that's all they do. They go on vacation. I'm 900. What? That was scary. Oh, have a seat there, princess. That was scary. I thought he was going to jump out at me. Oh, no. Don't worry about them over there. That's our valet parking team. No, it is. I was training them for housekeeping, but you see, they kept on monkeying around. Well, anyhow, danger lurks around every corner here in the jungle, and this is a dangerous corner because we've got a lot of dangerous things here. Dangerous things like mosquitoes. There's a lot of mosquitoes here. I don't like them. You like mosquitoes? Yeah, no. Oh, and look at that. It's a waterfall. Yay, waterfall. This is the part where the people in the back of the boat get wet. Really wet. Really. Hey, not really. I mean... But you guys were scared back there, weren't you? I saw them here. We'll talk about scary. Take a look at that. That's a crashed airplane, and you know what that means, don't you? Hippos. Oh yeah, I have to show you this part right here. It's in the manual on page 37. Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water. a sale right now. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Any takers? It's a cut rate deal. Any way you slice it, dice it, or cut it, you come out ahead.
Alright guys, it's only a 30-minute wait for Pirates, so let's get on Pirates and become a pirate, yo ho!
No, por favor, no!
Show 'em your flock.
Hey, sending hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up, me hearties. Yo-ho!
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for these hearty heads? Every one an egg layer.
Okay, so just finished Pirates, and next Fast Pass is going to be Journey into the Sea with the Little Mermaid. I'm such a mermaid dork that I absolutely love this, so let's go. I gotta walk all the way across the park too, by the way, because I'm still down over in Adventureland, and I gotta walk all the way over to Fantasyland, so we got a bit of a walk. So I'll see you guys there. And here comes a massive group of tourists. Woohoo! Alright, I'll see you guys at Little Mermaid. Alright guys, so Little Mermaid time. Probably my favorite movie, Disney movie of all time. I'm such a mermaid dork. So I'll include some little bits. Probably can't include all the songs because, you know, it is what it is. But here we go.
And then, I'm getting ahead of myself. The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love.
Dancing, walking around on those one thing you feel you don't get too far. Legs everywhere, jumping, dancing, strolling along down what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they ride, where they stay all day in the sun.
Such dreams, poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need.
This one will be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help her?
Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my cold bodies, and I'll touch my knees, and I help them. Yes, I do.
Alright, so sun is shining right in my eyes, but I guess that means great lighting. So next Fast Pass is going to be Big Thunder. I'm going to head over there now and I'll take you guys with me, okay? Alright, see you out there. Big Thunder is currently at a 45-minute wait and we have Fast Passes. So this should go pretty easy, except for there's a fairly large group ahead of us. Alright, so let's see how long this takes us to get on the ride.
Partners, for your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
here. So much fun. Got another fast pass for Buzz Lightyear. I'm gonna see if I can get Galactic Hero. I don't know. I'm not quite 100% as skilled as I'd like to be. Every so often I can hit all the right targets at the right time. So we'll see what I'm able to actually hit. So I'm gonna head all the way back over to Tomorrowland from, you guessed it, Big Thunder. It's gonna take me like a good 10 minutes to get all the way over there, but super excited. Let's see how many more rides I can get in tonight. See you over there, guys. You guys, it is absolutely downright pouring right now. I'm getting absolutely soaked, but we're gonna get out of the rain and head to Buzz. So got a fast pass for that, and hopefully we'll get out of this rain and it'll be done raining by the time we get out. See you in there.
Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond. Attention, space station. Inside the spacecraft.
Okay, so one of the biggest tips I can give you about Buzz Lightyear Space Command is that you want to go for certain touch points. Like there's like a volcano in one of the first rooms. You want to get the inside of Zurg's arm, the robot, and as well as the bottom of Zurg. Alright guys, let's see what I can do. Sadly, I didn't even break 200,000. Couldn't get my thing going, but still, great ride. Love this ride. I think Buzz is a little disappointed in me. I'm sorry, Buzz. I'll try better next time.